We're in Coromandel Town, staying at the Tasman Holiday Park, Coromandel. Today we're going to explore the Driving Creek Railway, something I've been looking forward to. We went about 8 years ago before children and thought it was pretty cool. If you're a follower of my channel, you know we love trains. So much, I have a whole entire playlist dedicated to trains. So we're looking forward to checking out the Driving Creek Railway before heading back to our awesome campsite. Hi, I'm Emily and I run Emily in NZ, posting about living, working and exploring this beautiful country that is New Zealand. Hit subscribe because I update every Friday. Let's go check out the Coromandel Railway. It's a 5-minute drive to Driving Creek Railway from Coromandel Town. We booked our tickets online and I recommend doing so because it gets really fully booked and only has certain runnings per day. And we're straight on for our 10:30 boarding time. And a quick health and safety briefing from our driver. As you leave, you go past all the pottery works and the kilns, as well as the engineering sheds for the trains. There's lots of viaducts and bridges and lots of exciting things, as well as a zip line going overhead, which is pretty cool. We'll add that to the bucket list for next time because the kids are a bit too small at the moment. Just as we're getting settled into our seats, we have to move. These are called tram seats and we've got lots of switchbacks as we climb a steep gradient. It's super interesting and a great engineering solution to climbing a steep hill. As you work your way up the hill, the driver's giving a full commentary all about Barry Brickell, who is the potter and engineer that developed this railway. Super interesting, but I won't ruin it for you as it's all part of the attraction. And this is the first of many retaining walls which are built from wine and beer bottles. Here we're about to leave the dual track railway and go onto the single track, so they pass the token for the next stage of our climb. Here we go again, another steep incline, so another seat transfer. Again, in total we do this 5 times up and 5 times down. This is new since we last went. You can get off at Toru Station, which is 3 in Te Reo, and have a walk around. It was established in 2020. I asked the driver and she said it was something for the staff to do during COVID. They built the station so that you could admire the beautiful artwork on the tunnel. After another switchback and seat change, we're arriving at the top, the Eyefull Tower. This is the end of the line and we can walk around for 10 minutes before getting back on. And there is the actual Eyefull Tower. Now back to the train for the descent, and here come the latecomers. Halfway down and we give our token to the next train. A love this, throughout the track they've got photos of people building and enjoying the track over the last 40 years. And we're back at the station. There's a cafe here. We had an ice cream and a bit of a play around before heading off. Before going back to the campsite, we're going to pop to Coromandel Town, pop into Foursquare, which is a chain of supermarkets that are in rural towns. I cover it in this video here and is well worth a watch. Back to the caravan at the campsite, and there's a painting on the wall featuring the Driving Creek Railway. A short rest before the kids want to get in the pool. Mummy's turn. That was pretty cool. I can highly recommend Driving Creek Railway. There's no surprise it's won the Coromandel Town's best tourist attraction, and it's definitely worth going back to and revisiting. We love this campsite and the pool is so good. So I hope you enjoyed that video and you found it useful. I update every Friday, so in the meantime check out one of these videos. So hit subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.